How to redeem codes in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and tap on the shop section from the main screen. Then tap on the red star rings and select the order section. Here you will see the support creator option where you can enter a code to support your favorite creator when making in-app purchases. This method may not always provide benefits, so it's not fully recommended. Another reliable way is to open your favorite browser and search for redeem gift code Sonic Rumble, then select the link from the official game page. Here you will see a box labeled enter code here. This is where you can enter any active Sonic Rumble codes provided by the developer, event or official social media channels. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears, including uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters. After entering the code, tap the redeem button to claim your reward. Successful redemption usually grants rings, exclusive skins, or special items directly into your account. Remember, not all codes will work. Some may already be used or expired, so you may need to try multiple codes to get reward. Now you know how to redeem codes in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.